What's going on, everyone? I just got done editing all of our Disneyland videos and California Adventure videos. We had season passes for about a year, and on the rides I took my 4K gimbal stabilized low light camera. So for the next few weeks I'll be dropping those videos. So if you want to see what the ride's about, stay tuned and we'll take you on a POV adventure. And you take it forward. Make it wet. Answer people when they talk. They don't get that wet. Come on. Yeah.
You said 6?
Yeah.
Excellent. Check how tall everybody is.
Sure, they checked at the front.
Yeah, we're going to check at every step of the way.
Go ahead.
And then we'll let it check every step right here for me.
Shoes got wet.
Yeah.
Did your shoes get wet?
Yeah.
Okay, keep your feet up a little bit. My shoes got wet. We didn't think about them shoes.
Oh, man.
Oh, my shoes. Did your shoes get wet? Put them up.
Ahead. Let's join them and find a band for our celebration.
Keep your feet up. Huh?
Why are my shoes getting wet?
Put them up there. Put your shoes up there. Can you reach? Keep your feet up there.
Man, it's hard to find a band in the dark. Musicians around here.
You don't? Well, that's all right, Louis.
That's a Louisiana gator. Where y'all from? You don't know talk gator.
Oh, is that a water slide?
Yeah, we're going down that.
I don't want to.
You're gonna have to.
You're looking for your victims? You don't have far to go. Tell the people around the coast so.
Okay. Here comes the first one. Did you?
Tiana was right. There are musicians out here and
There's Tiana.
No doubt. We'll all enjoy the baby show.
Tiana, you were right.
Yeah.
The Bayou got just what we need.
I hope they all come to the party today. But let's explore a bit more.
Who's this?
Time to think big.
Put this out so you don't get wet.
This big dog is not so teeny weeny.
These tiny musicians you found sure do bring the heat.
Okay, here comes the big splash. We have to. We're on it. You guys ready? Cover you up.
Get your big head. Cause the bigger you are, the bigger the splash will make at the party.
You ready, Nixon?
Get you to the party. You got there in no time.
Go! Good job, Nixon. Good job. Good job. Good job, buddy.
Good job, guys. Good job.
She's crying. It's over, babe. It's over. She's scared. That was a big drop, huh? Good job, buddy. Were you scared? You did a good job. The aftermath.
Let's go.
Maeve got scared, huh, Nixon? When you get out, give her a hug and tell her it's okay. That was a fun one, huh? You did a good job, buddy. Knuckles. No, Brody's right here.
Did you not cry? Yeah, let's do Knuckles.
He wants a Knuckles. Give him Knuckles. Boom. All right, sit down, sit down. Did you get really wet, honey? Your feet, huh? My feet are soaked. Are yours?
Hey, show me the back. Everything is everything is like.
Dude, the front's the worst. That's cool. Look at the frogs. That looks so cool. It looks real.
What a band! Party with Beway without you.
You gotta tell Maeve you're okay.
No, she kept saying, remember?
I know, but still tell her it's okay. You were brave, Nixon. You were brave. That was a big drop, huh?
Yeah, and Brody.
Yeah, that was a big drop,
Then
huh?
grab your belongings and exit to your lair. Welcome back, y'all. Please remain seated until your boat docks and comes to a complete stop. Then gather up your belongings and exit to your lair.
Hey, Maeve, you ready to go again? I just heard her say I never want to go. Dude, there's like 10 feet of water in here.
Sit down, buddy. Sit down.
The front sucks too. The front splashes over. The middle's the best.
All right, come on, this way. This way, no, this way, this way, this way, this way. You got it, Brody? You got it, Brody? Oh, my feet are wet.
Be careful, you have to slip. Look at me.
You're not that bad. Look at my feet, dude.
Dude, look at my back, my
No,
hands.
bro, look at it. It would splash over the front and just drench my feet. Look, they look like brand new shoes.
Fresh paint job.
Fresh paint
Fresh
job
inside.
outside. On the outside.
Cleaning on the inside, cleaning on the ice cream. Ice cream.
Maeve, you need a hug. You did a good job.
On the rim, big.
Hey, Brody, high five, bud. You didn't even squirm a bit. Are you cold yet, bud?
And then when we went to Tiana's party after, she was
Come on, bud. Yeah. I gave mine up for Maeve. If I didn't give it up, she'd be wet and crying.
See, that's not her type of party,
Good job, Nix. What'd you think?
Good, but Mom's gonna be so mad.